Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. I'm standing here in front of the beautiful Kia, actually it's a Range Rover. Right now we don't have many cars, that's why we're starting to put some of our really nice used cars on the show floor. Not many new cars on the ground, and I'm sure you're aware times are pretty wild right now, and a lot of the time if you're looking for a specific vehicle, you might not see it on the lot ready to be driven home. That doesn't mean you can't have it. So I just wanted to do a quick bit on how we have options for producing vehicles that you might not necessarily see on our lot. So we have multiple Sorrentos, Tellurides, Fortes, Neros, basically every model on the inbound schedule in the pipeline. We know what we're getting and when we're getting it and how much it costs. And we'd be happy to go over the process of locking up a vehicle that isn't necessarily here yet. And if we have something on the lot comparable, we can drive it to make sure you're going to be happy with it, go over everything line by line about what the car will be when it shows up to make sure that it's something that is going to put a smile on your face. Other option we have, even if we don't know we're getting it, we can still try and order it from the manufacturer and get you exactly the car that you want. So if you're looking for a car and you don't necessarily see it on the lot right now, just shoot us a call and we're happy to produce it for you.